Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is about how to solder your own batteries. Basically, everything that it has to do with RCs or whatever else. Why? Because you save money. First, turn on your soldering machine. Make sure you let it heat up the proper way. And once that's all done, this is the type of floss that I use. It's liquid right here. So put a little bit, you don't need much. This is magic. So now, grab my solder and I'm going to throw a little bit of solder in here. Nice. I like to clean the tip. I use a Brillo. I always clean the tip before I put it in here. So that's basically done right there. Now all you need is a little bit. I'll stand it up. 3S battery, HRBs, 6000 milliamp, 11.1 volt, 60 Cs. Now, yes, I like to use 8mm free mil. Yep. So I will do the same. A little bit of liquid floss, just a little bit, not much, just around it. That's it. Now let me see which way is more comfortable for me. I will put it right here. Yeah. Okay. So I just want to feel a little bit comfortable right there. Now, grab the tip, heat it up right there, and just start melting your solder in there. Make sure you fill it up. Whole wire gets hot. well, it looks more than perfect for me. Super solid. Check it out. Strong. Oh yeah. Nice. So this is how I really do my bullets. Then I'll show you another step. Here. Now you grab, already got them cut up. This is heat shrink. I use black, doesn't matter. Now the way I do it, I will leave, don't push it back, don't make it even, because once you heat it up, it's gonna shrink and shrink, and then it might be looking like this. So I will leave it right there, and use your torch if you have one. I found this one in Harbor Freight. I believe I paid like what, like 12 or 13 bucks for this. I don't know, I don't remember. Good deal. It works fine. So now you grab your torch and you start shrinking. Like shrinking it from the tip all the way to the bottom. Heat shrink is big, but it worked fine. There you go. And this is how my battery looks. I know there's a lot of videos out there about soldering, but I would like to show you guys how I do my batteries. So this is how I do it. Simple. Harbor Freight, cheap as hell. The machine, I believe I paid like what, like 30 bucks. Like 30 bucks. It came with this. But this flush and the solder, I found it in Shadow Hobbies. I don't remember the location, but in Shadows. So this is how it's done. So I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, don't forget to comment. And I'm here to help you guys. Now I'm gonna go and solder the ESC wires to the MAL 8mm bullet. Make sure you fill up your bullet. solder. Heat it up. And stick in your wire. The wire can get really hot. But this is how I do my stuff. I don't have to go nowhere to get it done. I don't have to go to no hobby shop. None of that. I do my own soldering. Guys, honestly, and not might be super perfect, but it gets the job done. Check it out. I'll show you from up close. It's pretty hot. Nice and solid. That right there, I could just heat it up a little bit and melt it down a little bit, and then I will make it flush. Put your heat shrink in it, and that would look super professional. So let me make this a little bit flush by heating it. All right, there it goes. I don't have like a sandpaper or nothing like that to sand it a little bit, but it's nice and flush. Now what you do is you put up your heat shrink, and let's heat shrink it. I will do it right there and heat shrink it. Sorry, heat shrink it, and you should be good to go. Go. Pretty hot. I like to push it down when you might burn your fingers a little bit, but when it's there, I like to push it just a little bit. And there you go. There you have my soldering. Batteries I did is for this car, for the X01. Batteries are done. You see, it's done. And I also did, where is it at? Where is it at? Let's see if I can find it. I had it somewhere. I found it. So I also did this. This is the jumper to run a 6S. So that's all you need, guys. Like, subscribe, don't forget to comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.